going to SGR. I have never tried SGR before, and I just felt like it was the best time to do that and just have the experience and have a say for myself on how it is. So yeah, let's meet tomorrow. I'm so tired. Good morning, everyone. Good morning from the other side of Kenya. I am in Diani. For the first time, I'm in Diani. Never been in Diani before, so the trip was hella long. Hella long. I think we got here at 10ish, 11ish. Wow. Yeah, so it was hella long. So this is the first day. I just finished getting ready, and you know, you come to coast thinking it's gonna be sunny, hot, you know, summer outfits, bikinis and all that shit, and then this place decides to grace us with rain. So ain't that nice? So now we have rain. I don't understand what's gonna happen. We got ourselves a villa, but now since we got ourselves a villa, we gotta cook for ourselves. And we wanted to go out and go buy breakfast, and then we have breakfast and at least buy some food stuff that we're gonna cook while we're here, and then after that we are good to start exploring. But now this weather is giving me mad anxiety, because I'm like, how are you gonna explore with the rain? We haven't even seen the beach, so what's the kind of pisses me off. So yeah, that's our update in Diani. I'm going to do a room tour, not a room tour, a villa tour real soon, today maybe, or tomorrow. But this is the master. It's hella big. It's so big, my god. You can see where I'm standing all the way there, and then we have a closet over there, and then we have a bathroom and all that good stuff. So yeah, today what I'm wearing, summer outfits from Pretty Little Thing. They came through. So I'm wearing this top, this jacket, I already had it, Pretty Little Thing. This is from Bashka, and then have my pants, like perfect. It's the perfect summer pants. These are from Pretty Little Thing, and then I have this nice sandals that I got from Toy Market. So yeah, anyway, I think we have to go and see what the rest of the crew is doing.
Only with 2 smokies.
Wait, you didn't eat?
I did not. See, I told you I don't eat while traveling.
Hey, guy, Betty, when are you getting done? Si tunakungoja. You almost imagine nimeingoja the whole time. Nashangaa unafanya. Now let me go downstairs, see what everyone else is doing. Joel, say hi to my vlog.
Oh, hi. My name is Jonah. What should I say? You're on vacation. You're on vacation? At Diani. You're really having a good time. Although my room is messy. I just woke up.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey. Akibeti is not finishing. Now we need to get going. Ni beti tunangoja. and then we head out. This is Joel. There's Peter who arrived today. He couldn't find transportation yesterday, and then there's Betty upstairs, and then there's Noella who's listening to music. So yeah, we are 5, and this villa is gorgeous, so we're just living our best lives right now. Having food here, so if we can't, oh my god, I was almost falling. What the hell? The crew is here, and look at how gorgeous that beach is. That is so nice. What? So white, so nice. This one is just obsessed with social media, like.
Am I on your vlog?
Yep.
You, madam, looking hella fine, like a sneer.
This one is on live. What she does best. Yeah, right?
Yeah.